Like and subscribe.
The Racket-Tail isn't the only one hunting for nectar in the forest flowers. Bees are too, and they don't like to share. A single bee sting close to the bird's heart could be fatal. But time is on the Racket-Tail's side. Rain is about to intervene. A raindrop as big as its head may not be much fun for a hummingbird, but it's altogether too much for a bee. The race to eat continues. All over the world, tiny creatures are on a mission to stock up before night.